Uploading a project or design on Behance is an excellent way to showcase your work to a global audience of creative professionals. Here's how to do it. Log into Behance. Visit the Behance website and sign into your account. If you don't have one, create a free account to get started. Create a new project. From your Behance dashboard, click on the Create a Project button, usually located in the top right corner. This will take you to the project editor. Add your work. Upload your design files by clicking Upload Files or simply drag and drop them into the project editor. Behance supports images, videos, GIFs, and other media formats, so you can include a variety of content. Organize and describe your work. Arrange your files in the order you want them to appear. Add captions or descriptions to explain your design process, the tools you used, and the objectives of your project. This adds depth and context to your work. Choose a cover image. Select an eye-catching cover image that represents your project. This will be the first image viewers see in your portfolio. Add tags and publish. Include relevant text to make your project easier to find. Once you're happy with everything, click Publish to make your project live on Behance.